Alright, so this is probably the fourth or fifth time that I've used the drawing blank. Hey y'all, if it looks like I need more sleep, it's because I need more sleep. But my function of beauty just got here, and I thought that I would do a little unboxing on camera. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower and give y'all my first impressions afterwards. Obviously not while I'm in the shower. And then again in a week, and then a couple weeks after that. So it'll probably be a little while before this video is posted. But, you know, work in progress. So this is the box. And it says function of Lexi on the front. And I already tore it open so I wouldn't have to mess with all that. Okay, and so as we open the box, the first thing on top is this little pamphlet with stickers inside, and they're cute little Christmas themed stickers. And the pamphlet on the front says function of Lexi plus my profile, which was straight, fine, and normal. And my goals were color protection, lengthen, shine, strengthen, and volumize. And I picked nude peach for my fragrance, and I did it strong because I like for my hair to smell fruity. And then on the inside, it just gives you a little welcome letter and your personalized regimen, and then your hair goals. So this says to shampoo 4 to 5 times a week. I definitely don't wash my hair that many times a week. I think that's overkill. I wash my hair probably 2 times a week. And I condition about 2 times a week as well. Cruelty-free, 100% vegan, paraben sulfate free, and made in the USA. Perfect. And on the back it tells you the shampoo ingredients and the conditioner ingredients. Which for me, that's important because I'm really picky about the ingredients in my hair stuff. But it says it's paraben free and sulfate free, so that's really the main things. And then right on top, it gives you these 2 pumps. And then the shampoo, which I picked purple. It says function of Lexi on the side of the bottle, all cute. It says to shake well before you use it. I can smell the peach before I even open this stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, so I've seen a lot of reviews where people are saying that this doesn't smell like peach, but it smells like peach to me. It smells really good. And then the conditioner. Again, function of Lexi. Shake that up. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna love these. Okay, and then the last thing in the box are these 2 things that I'm guessing go on the pump. Yeah, okay. All right, perfect. And I guess you can use the little stickers to decorate your bottle or whatever. That's really weird. Oh, it has a silicone cap in there. Wow. Shower time. Okay, so fresh out of the shower, my first impressions are the shampoo and conditioner smell really good. I really enjoy the peach smell. I can still smell it in my hair right now. And it smelled amazing while I was in the shower too. The shampoo lathered up nicely. It felt really thick in my hands and it felt like it got my hair really clean, which I enjoyed. The conditioner felt good as well. It was really lightweight. Like my hair didn't feel like it was too weighed down by the conditioner. And I left it in for about 5 minutes or so while I shaved my legs to give it time to soak in. And yeah, so far so good. I am really liking it. This is about the 4th or 5th time that I've used the Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. And I have to say that I am liking it. I noticed the smell does last into the second day. It's been about 2 weeks since I've been using it. I don't wash my hair a lot. But I have noticed that my hair does get dirtier faster. It's still kind of wet. It seems to get dirtier faster, and I don't know if it's my hair getting used to the new shampoo and conditioner or if it's something in the shampoo and conditioner. I have noticed that it is definitely shinier and seems to be slightly more volumized, but not like so dramatic that I'm like, oh my goodness, or anything like that. It's just definitely lighter feeling and definitely shinier. As for the strengthen and lengthen, I don't know. It's kind of too early to tell, and my infant pulls my hair out in handfuls, so there is also that. Okay, well, I will check back in at the 1 month mark and let y'all know my final thoughts. So it has been about a month of me using my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. I only wash my hair about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on whenever it gets oily. And I've only used about that much in a month. So I set my subscription up for every 6 months. So I'm sure, because these are each half-liter bottles. So that should be plenty, really. After a month, I have noticed that my hair is definitely more volumized. It is softer and shinier. As far as the lengthen and strengthen, I don't know. That's going to take time for me to figure out if it is helping with that. It also doesn't help that my infant is pulling my hair out. I'll insert a picture of it before I straighten it. This is with it being straightened. And I'll try to insert a side-by-side picture so you can see when I first started using it and a month later. I am really liking my results. Yes, I will be buying it again. To me, it's definitely worth it. No, this video is not sponsored in any way. Let's be real, I don't have enough subscribers for that. So I bought this with my own money. And I'm reviewing it on my own time. And yeah, I really like it. I've seen a few people say that it doesn't lather very well, but to me, it lathers great. So I don't know, maybe they changed the formula or what's going on with that, but I am loving my Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. 10 out of 10 would recommend, definitely will be buying again. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you enjoyed my video, please thumbs up. See y'all later. Bye.